So what exactly is HR's role during a crisis? Well, as the keeper of culture and the purveyor of humanity, there are several. First up, you're the observer. You have to make sure you always have your eyes peeled to keep track of any danger coming over the horizon that could harm your organization. You're also the defender. When that danger arrives, you're there to make sure the organization can survive. You're also an advocate. So you're, of course, an advocate for the organization itself. But when you're speaking with leaders, you've got to advocate for the employees. And when you're speaking with employees, you have to advocate for the leaders and make sure employees feel comfortable with decisions that leaders are making. You're also a counselor. You know this, being in HR, you're always going to be responsible for taking calls, listening to concerns, helping people resolve their emotions and feelings and conflicts during a crisis, even more so, where everybody's anxiety is really heightened. You're also an engineer. You're going to be redesigning jobs and reconfiguring how people communicate and learn. So there's a lot of engineering and making things go. You're also the keeper of culture. So you've got to make sure that the organization doesn't lose sight of the culture despite whatever's going on given a crisis. And lastly, you're the communicator. It's your job to make sure that employees have what they need to do their job and that the whole workforce is apprised of the status of the organization and where the organization is going. Look, I know this is a lot of hats to wear, but you're always wearing these hats as an HR professional, so it's nothing new for you. It's just during a crisis, it's super critical that you do all of these jobs well. You are the glue that holds the organization together during a crisis, and really, this is your time to shine as a leader as you make sure that the organization survives.